YouTube. Today I went ahead and putting together this little video just on these, what I'm going to call eBay special GR86 Fender flares. And the reason I say GR86 is because these are actually different than the STI versions that are available through Subaru proper or the STI knockoffs. The reason I chose GR86, even though I have a BRZ, is that this piece up here, it aligns with the little cut, the little body line with the car much better. It's not short. I'll show that to you in a second. But yeah, I scooped these up off of eBay a little while ago. I think they were $50 or $60, something like that, shipped. And I think Import Image Racing now has these available, like the generic version, not from Toyota or Subaru. Either way, not very expensive in comparison to the, I think it's like $300 or even more for the STI bits. These come fast and seem very good quality. I've already test fitted it on the car without sticking them on, and they slide right in and no issues. It's pretty dense plastic, as you can see. I mean, it's probably 4 millimeters in thickness. There's no weird warps or bends. When these shipped in, this little piece kind of came off. We still got some sticky 3M underneath it. I assume everything's going to be pretty sticky underneath. If it's not, I've got additional 3M tape. But overall, I mean, I look forward to seeing what these look like. If they're terrible, I'll just pull them off the car. If they're good, they obviously stay on. I think the biggest concern I have, I just want to make sure that this extra density doesn't actually block the functionality of the venting system going from the wheel well across the body line of the car. So let's go ahead and move outside, take a look. Alright, we are officially outside. And what I was mentioning on those inside shots, this is a functional vent. You can look in there, it goes in through the body line, so it effectively lets the air streamline through the car. I think it's both for aero, maybe gas mileage, you guys tell me, but it's functional. They put it there. Most cars fake it. This is real, so just want to make sure this dense piece doesn't actually block that. So let's do another test fit. You see this actually slides over. It doesn't add on like some bits. This slides right over. And we are good. I can still see daylight. Oh, what do you think? I think it's kind of different. I kind of like it. Up close, not a super fan. It's like a little redundant, but from a distance, I think it looks pretty great. Seen it on other cars. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, unpeel this stuff. See if I can do it with the camera. Otherwise, I'm just gonna turn it off here for a second. Yep, turning it off. All right, I've got the adhesive backing off. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it on the car. Take a close look here. This is the last time you'll see it with the traditional look. Let's go ahead and plop this on here. I did prep this first, just a little soap and water. Oh man, the adhesive feels great. You know, for a generic eBay part, I'm impressed. The temperature outside is somewhere around 75 degrees, so if you're doing this, you want to make sure it's warmer out. Otherwise it won't stick and it won't stay. Alright, I'm thinking I'm a fan of this. You guys tell me what you think. Post it up, yay, nay. Would you rather go for the name brand, or is this $50–60 option the way to go. Like I said, inside, this is the GR86 version, so the STI, it doesn't quite sweep as high. The STI version is much shorter and it kind of wings down. This GR86 version actually goes up. I like it because it's more in line with the built-in factory piece. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, here is the mission at hand. Gotta pull this off. This guy right here, after about 2 or 3 weeks of having it on, I have determined it is a no-go at Station 1. The quality has been really, really good. Everything, the 3M tape, it stuck well. As we mentioned just a little while ago, you got like, still has the ventilation running through the wheel well and past for aerodynamics, so this piece didn't block that. But at the end of the day, what I don't like is the OEM piece here has the Hawaii wave that moves over, and then this piece basically replicates it. So the redundancy killed me. I can't look at it anymore. It's like an OCD little trigger for me, so it's gonna come off. So what I'm gonna do today is I've got my heat gun, little Amazon special. I'm gonna heat this up, then I'm gonna use some high test fishing line right here just to get this little piece started. It is not moving. That 3M is intense. So I'm going to slide the fishing line straight back, start peeling this off, and hopefully it comes off pretty clean and I don't need goo gone or anything like that. So let's give it a go. Really nothing to it. No damage to the paint. Special note, I did very well detail this before I installed it, so I don't have any kind of grit or grain. So here you go, 0 damage. That's just a little flake, nothing big. I'm gonna hit it with some wax. Let's go grab that right now. There we go. There's the other one. I tested it so I didn't make a fool of myself on a YouTube video. All right. This stuff recommended on one of the Facebook groups for darker cars. So I did do a full ceramic coat myself on this, and then just today actually I did this black light, and man, great shine. Zero damage. So I've got no more redundancy. The double Hawaii waves back to an OEM look, and if I ever decided to do Street D and the autocross competitions, this definitely would keep me clean. They're pretty strict on aerodynamics. So anyway, long story already kind of too long. These little guys, you know, they're 40–50 bucks on eBay and some other sites. It's a good quality piece for what it is, a knockoff STI bit. Absolutely no issues. The tape held up well, but in the end, I just like the stock look better. So anyway, you guys have a good one, and stay tuned for more.